Welcome to the future of customer engagement. In today's digital world, organizations are shifting from traditional support channels to a dynamic ecosystem of digital interactions. A majority of consumers now prefer communication through web chat, mobile apps, and social media. With these changes, customer expectations for real-time, personalized service are skyrocketing. AI agents are transforming the way businesses connect with customers. These sophisticated tools go beyond basic chatbots. They leverage advanced natural language processing and machine learning to interpret user intent and generate human-like responses. This evolution allows AI agents to manage complex conversations and provide tailored customer experiences without constant human intervention. The demand for AI agents is being accelerated by several key factors. Customers expect immediate responses and personalized support at any time. Additionally, businesses seek cost optimization while improving the scalability of their customer service operations. AI agents can streamline repetitive inquiries, allowing human agents to focus on high-value tasks. This strategy not only enhances efficiency, but also improves customer satisfaction and retention. Integrating data analytics is crucial for continuous performance improvement of AI agents. Organizations are harnessing interaction data to refine their customer engagement strategies. This includes analyzing conversation logs and customer feedback to improve the accuracy of AI responses and enhance overall service quality. However, the deployment of AI agents brings challenges. Organizations must prioritize trust, privacy, and ethical compliance while implementing these technologies. Embracing frameworks that ensure responsible AI usage is paramount. This includes safeguarding customer data and fostering transparency in AI decision-making processes. As we look towards the future, AI agents will play an even more central role in customer engagement. Embracing a strategic roadmap will be essential for organizations wanting to remain competitive. By optimizing AI deployment and fostering continuous learning, businesses can enhance customer experiences and improve interactions across all channels. Organizations aiming to thrive in this AI-driven landscape need to invest in robust governance structures. These will ensure compliance with regulations, mitigate risks, and maintain customer trust. In conclusion, the future of customer engagement lies in leveraging AI agents strategically. By focusing on personalization, analytics, and ethical practices, businesses can create meaningful interactions that elevate customer satisfaction and loyalty. Engage with AI agents and transform your customer engagement strategy today. Thank you for exploring this exciting field with us. If you're ready to enhance your customer engagement strategy, visit the Ogvation web store for more resources. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out the links below.